Hey guys, my name is Shazib and I am a freelancer from previous 7 years and I am top rated on Fiverr, top rated on Upwork, and according to my experience, I will guide you what is the best skill in 2024 that you need to learn. For example, if you want to become a successful freelancer and want to start your career in very high demanding skills, then in this video I will guide you what is the most high demanding skills in 2024, and also I will explore what is the hourly rate you will get on those skills, and those skills are very highly paid and long term. So before wasting our time, let's move on our video. So, what is the most high demanding skill on Upwork in 2024? So, if we are going on AI and machine learning, then AI and machine learning is going to become very highly paid skill on Upwork. You can imagine how much hourly rate if you are a beginner on AI and machine learning, then you can get $40 per hour. But if you are an expert, then you can get $100. So start from $40 to $100 per hour in AI and machine learning. So if you go on data science side, then you can also get $40 to $100. For example, if you are a beginner, then you can get $40 per hour rate. But if you are a very expert and have expertise, then you can get 100 or maybe more than $100 per hour. But if you go on AI and machine learning consultant, for example, if you have some knowledge but you want to become AI and machine learning consultant, then you can get $50 to $150 per hour. And I have completed more than three plus jobs on AI and machine learning consultant projects, and these are very easy. You just need to take 30 to 50 minutes meeting and just guide the client, and you can get $150 per hour rate. So let's move on second skill. What is the most high demanding skill on Upwork? So if we go on software development side, then front end developer get $30 to $80 per hour. And this is very shocking news. Only front end. If you have front end knowledge, for example, if you have HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, React, Angular, any front end framework knowledge, then you can get $30 minimum. If you are a beginner and fresher, then you can get $30. But if you have some knowledge and experience, then you will get $80 per hour. And this is very shocking, very high demanding skill. If we go on backend side, for example, if any company going to develop his software, then he must need a backend developer. So if you have backend development knowledge, then you will get $30 to $80 per hour. Very shocking. But if you go we go on full stack development, for example, if you have front end knowledge, back end knowledge, and also some cloud platform knowledge you have worked, so you can get $50 to $150 per hour, and this is equal to AI and machine learning consultant. And i i, I am very shocking. I have checked many profiles on Upwork where developer get more than $200 per hour. And yes, I am right, more than $200 per hour with full stack development. It depends how much skill and how much expertise you have. So if you are going to start your career in 2024, then I will definitely recommend you to go on full stack development side. But let's move on our third skill. So if we go on design and creativity is very important in this era, because if any company, any person going to start his career, and he must need a graphic designer who create his portfolio, his company portfolio, then this is very important skill you must need to learn. If we go on graphic designer side, then you can get $30 to $80 per hour. And if we only go on UI UX, you are not working any other kind of work, you just have knowledge of UI UX designer, then you can get minimum $40 hour per hour. But if you have some expertise and some advanced knowledge, then you can get $100 per hour. So this is the benefit of freelancing. You can get everything in your home. You just need to have a PC and just start your working, and you can get $40 to $100 per hour, and very outstanding skills. So if we go on web developer side, if you are a web developer, then you can get $30 to $80 per hour, and this is amazing skill. So let's move on our marketing and sales side. If you are a marketer and digital marketing mind and some background of sales, and if you want to start your career in marketing and sales, then if we go on only content writing side, and content writing is most demanding because this has less freelancer. If you want to start your career in 2024, then definitely recommend to content writing, because there are less very less freelancer in content writing. In content writing you mainly get $30 to $80 per hour, and this is the best skill. If you go on copywriting side, if you are a copywriter, then you will be able to get $40 to $100 per hour. If you are a SEO specialist, then you can get $40 to $100 per hour. If you have a social media marketer, then you can get $30 to $80 per hour. If you are a sales representative, you want to represent the sales of a company or anything, and sales represent have very minimum freelancer, I will definitely recommend go on sale and represent side, where you can get $50 to 150, very highly rate. These rates are equal to AI and data scientists. So if you want to get highly rates in 2024, then definitely shift on these sides. So if you have a mind of business and consulting, then the freelancing you can get a lot of money in business and consulting. Because if you are a business consultant, then you will be able to get $50 to $150 per hour, and this is very outstanding rates. I have checked on Upwork, and many freelancers getting a lot of money. So if we go on management and consultant side, you can get $50 to $150 per hour. If you go on financial consultant, you work some finance projects, and if you want to become financial consultant, then you will be able to get 50 to $150 per hour, and these are very highly paid skills. So if you are facing any issues how to get titles, how to start your career on Upwork, freelancer, or Fiverr, or any freelancing platform, just comment in this video, and I will also drop my social media links, so you can contact me. And if you need any help, then I will guide you how to get projects, how to start your career. What you just need to do, you just need to do some hard working and some knowledge of the domain in which you are going to start your career. So wish you best of the luck, and let's see you in the next video.